Okay, so I went and Googled a pinout for an Arduino Nano, and I found this PDF. And the important thing for me is that these numbers, the little gray ones, right, those are what the pins are called in the software. So when you change something in the software, you'll get the opportunity to fiddle with one of the pins, right? And that number that you're going to change is going to be this number here. Cool. The ones that don't have numbers next to them always do something, so they're not software controlled. Like this one here, for instance, is just live 5-volt power. So anytime the Nano is powered, that 5-volt power is just going to be on. So that's a good way to tell whether you've shorted your Nano or whether it's getting power from the USB. Right? Some of them have an LED on them. I don't know whether the ones I ordered do or not. Right? But this 5-volt power should always be live, so you can use a multimeter or you can plug an LED into it to check whether your Nano's working. You guys cool with that?
Should we bring the voltmeter if we have one?
No, I'll bring a couple. I got a few. If you super want to bring one, go for it. Other things like this one here, what's GND stand for? Ground. Yeah. And then there's a couple other. So there's a 3.3 volt power available out here too. So some of the sensors take 3.3 volts instead of 5. Check before you plug it in. The difference between 5 and 3 probably isn't enough to fry stuff most of the time, but you'll note the skepticism in my voice there. Cool. And if you let the magic smoke out of a circuit, it doesn't work anymore. You guys all know about the magic smoke in circuits?
Soul's pixie, they say.
Basically, yeah. So circuits have magic smoke in them, which is what makes them work. If the smoke ever comes out of one of your circuits or one of your components on your little Nano, that means it won't work anymore. You'll be able to tell when you let the magic smoke out because it'll smell like magic smoke. That's what will happen if you plug it into a 12-volt power source instead of the 5-volt power source it's supposed to have. Cool? All right. And a crucial thing we learned about pinouts was...
They're named weird.
And a crucial thing we learned about pinouts was, on this picture, they are the purple numbers, not the gray ones. Both would be good options to try, but it turns out that this picture, it's the purple ones.
Why is it 0 after 1?
No idea. Yeah, don't ask questions.
So, not